Hey you guys, I am back with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. This is going to be self-care when you are kind of tired and busy. You don't have a lot of time, but you want to get some stuff done to kind of soothe yourself. And for me, self-care is when I can see my house clean, when my space is clean, it makes me feel better. So I'm gonna be showing you my little exercising routine. I'm going to be showing you how I clean my towels, because y'all know towels get funky. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing you some things you can do when you are short on time, but you still want to take care and nourish yourself. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you stick around and stay tuned. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be doing today is a load of towels. I'm going to show you guys how I clean my towels to keep them fresh. I don't clean my towels with my other clothes. I wash my bath towels and all that stuff. I wash it separate. My bed linen and all of that, I wash that separate from my other clothes. So that's the first thing. All right, so I'm going to let my water start before I get started, and I'm trying to, y'all just bear with me. I'm still trying to get this angle right for when I show you guys, but I'm going to start this. Since this is white load of towels, I'm going to put it on hot water, and I'm going to put it on super, and I'm going to make sure I put it on white load over on the side. And I'm going to go ahead and run my water. You want to let your water run for a little bit before you put your towels in. I always say I like to put my my detergents, vinegar, and all that stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys a little hack that I do to kind of keep my whites clean. I'm going to put a little bleach in the little bleaching thing. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the little hack that I found. This little stuff right here is a gem, White Bright. Been using it for a few years now, but this is one of the tricks that helps keep my whites clean. Still working on it, because y'all know whites can get really dirty, but this is one of the little hacks that I use. You just need like a little cup full. And when you know it, my kids done did all their clothes since they was on winter break, and we don't have no more baking soda. I'm about to cry for real. But anyway, I'm going to use a lot of vinegar while I'm still letting the water run dry, because what you don't want to do is put your towels in there first, and then the the detergent and all that stuff is sitting on top of the towels. You want to put it in the water so that it'll have enough room to distribute evenly on all of your towels, because y'all know bath towels and stuff, anything you clean with your body is going to be funky. So you want to make sure you get those scents out as much as you can. And then, like I said, every 6 months, switch out your towels, because it's getting time for us to switch out towels. So I'm going to make a habit to put that on my list, that we need to switch out towels. And a great place to get your towels, Ross have some really nice towels, Tjmaxx, Target, they have some really, really great towels there. So I'm just going to add the vinegar. And y'all know I go galore with my vinegar. That vinegar just help pull out all those little musty stains, musty smells. So I'm going to do that. And if you missed my video on how I keep my washing machine clean, I'm going to put that in the cards for you guys. And yep, we out. Y'all see, I'm running out. My kids done did their laundry. That's why, it's nothing left. This is the last little bit of my scent boosters. I'm sad about it, but I'm going to restock when I go shopping again. And then I just add my fabric softener. Y'all know my holy grail. I'm going to add a cup full of that in the fabric thing, and put a little water in there as well, just to kind of keep that clean. And while that's running, then I'm going to go ahead and add my detergent. I'm running out, you guys. I think my kids done did all their clothes, because the laundry room is very bare this morning, which is a good thing, because girl, y'all know we be doing about 7 or 8 loads. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the little bit of my detergent that I have left, Arm & Hammer. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And then, just like I said, just let it run before adding my towels. But I'm telling you, try this, you guys. Wash your towels separate from your clothes. I'm telling you, it will start to make a world of difference. And don't forget this little hack that I was showing you guys. Like I said, it only takes a cup full and then you add water in it. And it's kind of like pre-soaking your clothes, but for the sake of this video, I didn't soak them. But usually that's what's gonna happen. I pre-soak my towels, especially white loads, and then I wash them regularly. That helps to keep your clothes clean as well, because I know it's just, I guess I'm just old school. I just, I guess when you're raised a certain way, you always do the things that you was raised up with. So that is what I'm doing here. And then, like I said, now I can start, adding my towels, because now they got a little bit of water in there. So I'm just going to add towels. And then you want to make sure you put your towels evenly around, because you do not want your washing machine to start knocking and tear up some stuff. I remember when we was a kid, if it started knocking, we would get in trouble, because that lets mom know that we didn't put the clothes evenly around. We were just rushing. So here I'm just scratching. This is my girl. I'm telling you, this is what I try to do every morning. And yes, I do have a pudge, but you know what? Hey, I'm not even going to be hard on myself, but I just try to stretch a little bit. And then just go and do my jumping jacks. I wanted to do my jump ropes, but girl, how about your girl couldn't find the jump rope? So I asked my son what's a substitute, and he was like, because he works out faithfully. So I was like, he was like, Mama, just do jumping jacks. So I like to do these exercises because it helps with my waist. Because girl, y'all know, if y'all had babies and you had cesarean, that pudge at the bottom, girl, it don't be want to go nowhere. But that's all right. That's all right. I got a trick for it. I did it before. I could do it again. It's just going to take a little bit more work. But yeah, these are the exercises that I try to do at least every other day to do that. And then what I do for my arms, that little fat up under your arm? I try to do my little, and if you don't have these dumbbells, you can use cans of soup. I used to use that back in the day when I didn't have no dumbbells in the house. But of course, since I have a son that works out all the time, he had one. So I just use these to kind of tone my arms up. And yeah, like I said, you don't have to do, we ain't trying to get ready for no bodybuilding conference or whatever you want to call it, whatever they call the people that work out and do all that competition stuff. I'm just trying to stay fit, healthy, and just have a lot more energy. Because when I work out, I notice I don't be as sluggish. So I try to make myself do it. Y'all know that right side is still kind of special. So I have to do that. And then, like I said, that's all I do in the mornings. And then I try to run 2 or 3 times in my hallway, y'all. It's crazy, but I try to move my body, y'all. Because when you get past 40, you get stiff, real stiff. But I try to do that, and yeah, I'm about out of breath, y'all. And then I just run a little bit more, and that's it, you guys. Because I'm telling you, it's no joke when you get past 40. Guys, so I finished my little quick workout. Trying to have me some more water. I try to make sure I do some form of workout every day. Some days I miss it. I'm just gonna be honest with you. But I've taken my medicine because I always like to I have to do stuff in a routine, you guys. Comment below if y'all like that. But if I don't do stuff like in my regular routine, I forget it. So I have to take my meds every morning, right after I do my little exercise, or right when I first get up. Otherwise, I forget it. And then I'm just gonna, I'm gonna make myself eat the banana, because usually I like to let mine turn, but lately we've been wasting because they just sit up there. So I'm gonna eat my banana. And of course, I have my favorite Boathouse Peach Parfait breakfast smoothie. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while I'm waiting on my towels to get clean. I don't like the top part. Ugh. Another way, you guys, if you guys don't like to eat your fruits and stuff, I always tell you guys, put it in your juice or smooth it. Do a smoothie with it, because Ladies, I'm just, if you my age and older, you gotta have your vegetables. You gotta do some form of exercise. Because I'm telling you, when you get past 40, your body just don't really do all that is cracked up, when you was in your 20s. So you gotta kind of make it do some stuff. So I'm telling you, you could be fine and sexy and healthy. Healthy, that's my motto this year, healthy. Just do a little bit at a time. You ain't gotta try to, just like be the next best bodybuilder or whatever they call it. Just do a little bit. Make sure you guys go get your checkups. Mine's is coming up soon. That's why it's on my brain. Go get your mammograms. Go get your checkup. That way you know how your body is functioning. I'm going to even throw out this. Go get your HIV test. Go get your STD test. You need to know your status, especially before you start dating again. You need to be 100% clear. And then I'll just add this little tip too, because we are on self-care and health is part of your self-care. When you meet that man, you make sure you ask his status too. Matter of fact, ask for the documents. Y'all go to the clinic together. How about that? Go to the clinic together. If he have a problem with telling you his status and all that, time to go. Girl, we past 40. We ain't got time to be playing. We need to know these things. Yeah. Just want to throw that little tip out there for y'all. Because this year is all about year of miracles. Can't be no miracles if you ain't healthy now. Y'all go on out there and get your status. So you'll know. That way you can sleep good at night, knowing that you're healthy. And ain't got no surprises. Whew. I don't like bananas when they like this, but I don't want them to go bad. And I wanted a banana this morning. And then after my towels get clean, then I gotta do my therapy, because I have to still do my therapy on my right side. My right side is my special side right now, Yeah. But back on that note, don't wait till it get steamy and hot. Because when you're hot and bothered, you want to be taken care of. But you need to know that status way before you get to that level. Don't play no games with your health, baby. You need to know his status. I'm going to keep saying that. It's on my brain. You want to know that he's clear, clean, healthy in every way. Every way. Y'all get my drift. Yeah. This is 2022, honey. You can't be leaving nothing to thinking about and hoping, wishing. Y'all, when y'all feel yourself getting serious and you feeling each other, you want to go to the next level, go on down to that clinic and take you a little trip. Go on your first date to the clinic. Well, second, third, whichever one it is. Go on down there to the clinic together. Hold hands and walk on up in there. And be like, we're here to get some testing done. It's kind of like a testing party today. And we're going to go on in here and get this thing taken care of. That way you'll know. You ladies, you need to know for yourself. Don't take his word. Y'all go in there together so you can see with your own two eyes. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to do my little Brightening Energy Burst facial. I always try to do this at least once every 2 weeks. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't do it every week, but every 2 weeks I always do my little face mask and all that good stuff. Because, I want to take care of my skin as best as I can, but right now it's breaking out because it's that time of the month, and y'all already know when it's that time of the month, All kind of stuff be happening. But anyway, I'm just going to do this face mask. And these little face masks, they be at Tjmaxx, Marshalls. You could get these anywhere where they sell like facial stuff. You can get them at Target. And I try to get them and keep them in a little basket up under the sink. So when I get ready to do my little self-care or spa day or whatever, it makes you look crazy, but it makes your face feel so good when you take it off. And you leave this on about 10 to 15 minutes. And so it almost reminds me like, y'all remember the movie Jason? Freddy Krueger, how they used to be coming at. Jason is the one that had the white mask. When I was a kid, they used to scare the crap out of me. But anyway, then I'm going to go in with my Holler and Glow foot mask. This makes my feet feel so super good, you guys. When I tell y'all this right here, now that I got my foot mask on, it took me a little minute to get my foot mask on. Good God. And now I'm going to sit here and do my puzzles. And I didn't cook because yesterday I cooked seafood boil, which you'll see here. I love doing puzzles, you guys. I could sit up and do puzzles all day long. But yeah, I'm just going to relax here while I got my mask going. And the foot mask, you're supposed to keep those on at least an hour. And then, like I said, I'm just going to sit here and work on my puzzle. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do something great for yourself this week. Take some time out. Put yourself on the calendar for this week. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Remember to follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching me every week, for being a part of the Sunny Squad. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, and I will see you guys on my next video. And I'm going to continue to work on my puzzles. Let me know if you guys like to do puzzles. I love doing puzzles. Been doing them since I was a kid, and I love doing them now as an adult as well. So yeah, leave me your thoughts, and don't forget to enter the giveaway. If you watch this video through the ending, you'll know how to enter the giveaway. The details will be in the video, so you got to watch the video to know what to do, because I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Thank you guys for tuning in every week. I hope this inspires you, encourage you to take a little time out for yourself. It's nothing wrong with doing some nice things for yourself. It's nothing wrong with pampering yourself. And every week I want to encourage you guys to do something a little bit to pamper yourself and love on yourself, because you only get one life, you guys, and when it's over, it's over. So I want to live it up to the best of my ability and enjoy teaching you guys and showing you little tricks and tips on how you can do the same as well. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Here we go like that. Yeah. Here we go like that. Yeah.